we measure the satisfaction of our passengers regularly on board. And strangely enough, maybe since the crisis, the feedback we get are extremely positive. People are really glad of what Air France and KLM are doing, both in terms of product we offer, but also of all the measures taken to ensure that people can travel rather, I would say, in a peace of mind when they travel. Today, what we could say is we operate a large network. We operate, I would say, most of the destinations we were operating before in Europe. Even new ones. We'll come on it especially for Spain. We opened new routes for Spain. And in the long haul, we operate also a large part of our network, but with a lower frequency. So for example, where we were flying twice daily, now we're flying one daily. When we're flying every day, now we fly 3-4 flights a week. Sorry. We had big plans to renew the fleet. For KLM, welcoming more and more Dreamliners, B787, and for Air France, welcoming mostly Airbus 350. These plans are going on, and there is also for Air France a renewal of the medium and short-term fleet, where we will replace some of the Airbus 318, 319, 320 by the new generation of Airbus 220. We offered a bigger flexibility than before in terms of tickets. You can book your tickets and you can issue your tickets, and if you decide to cancel your trip, the tickets are refundable. So I think it's also a big flexibility to be able to book a bit in advance and to have peace of mind if your plans are changing for any reasons. In case of any event, and usually when we were saying that, we could see the corporate saying, yeah, but any event does not happen. Yes, it happened. In case of any event, the fact that you are recognized as a preferred passengers, as a priority passengers for us, is also something that I think now and in the future, corporates will also take care when they choose an airline to say, okay, I send my staff on the other side of the world. What if anything happened? Anything happen could be just a flight is cancelled. Are they really like taken care? Do they have priority? I think all these kind of things I think are even more important than in the past because of what we had to go through since March 2020. Over the last few years, KLM was a pioneer, and Air France is also extremely engaged in what we call the SAF, the Sustainable Aviation Fuel, which is to reuse products. Mostly so far, it's cooking oil, for example, to be able to reuse them to make from this product, I would say, petrol or I would say fuel to be used. A plant exists in Los Angeles, and now for the last few years, there are flights from KLM between Los Angeles and Amsterdam who use this sustainable aviation fuel. It's something that will grow in the future. We are convinced in Air France KLM that it's the future of reducing, on top of the fleet renewal, that the best way to reduce the carbon footprint is to use sustainable aviation fuel.